Namaste, welcome everyone. So today we have two brand new sodas
Both.
that we're gonna get into.
Do you want to show it there or wait until we're done?
Well, you already know what it is. The title is right there.
Oh, so yeah, we got those two. We got that one and we got that one. All right.
Anyways, we're gonna get into it right after this.
Hey, welcome back, friends.
How much you want to bet?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
So which one we gonna open first? Sodas.
We can go for the Raya if you want.
Raya.
Did you ever see that movie or no?
What movie?
Raya the Last Dragon.
Let's see. No.
We usually watch your Disney stuff too.
I know.
So I'm a little surprised you haven't seen it yet.
No interest.
Is it gonna be in the middle?
You don't know anymore.
You don't know anymore. Here is Raya. There is what the common looks like. And the chase is with her sword.
Ooh,
They went all out on the chase.
She's a badass.
Yep. Might as well pick yours. You know this is a common. Yeah, common.
Welcome back.
I know. It was that one video where I pulled the chase on the first one. All right, there you go. And it is a numbered piece. 10,500.
She got a lot of hair.
Yep. There you go.
All right, there you go.
There's the common. The Pog is awesome. I like the Pog. All right, and side by side. So yeah, see, all that's different is the sword. This one's lazy too.
Funko lazy.
Yep. So we got Andy
Dwyer from Parks and Rec.
So there's a look at the common, the chases with glasses. 12,500.
Isn't that Star-Lord?
Yes.
That's what I thought.
Chris Pratt. Good job.
Never watched that show. Good job, buddy.
It always happens, man.
Good job, buddy.
All right. There you go.
Yeah.
Where does that look like he's from, Dad?
Middle Earth.
What'd you say?
He's a hobbit.
So there is the
He's
common.
going on a crusade.
FBI.
All righty. Let's see.
Pull the chase. Yep, there's the
Merry
chase.
Little Christmas. This one's sus because it's completely sealed. Good.
Chase.
Oh, no.
Good.
Common.
All right. Still got a chance.
See, that one's on there, too.
Common. Jeez. Here's the chase. Unless it's in the middle.
Unless it's in the middle. Never know.
Here it is.
Chaseola!
Alrighty, there you go.
All right, cool cat. Right on. Cha-ching.
Same exact thing, just with glasses.
Oh, it is, huh? All they did was put some glasses on.
All they did was put glasses on.
Oh, man.
All right.
Funko, come on, man. Give us a call. We'll help you out. Jeez Louise,
Anything.
man.
So Brian swept Nick today 2-0. But these are up on the website. Chance at Chase. If you are looking for just a comment, let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
Make sure you like, share, subscribe.
Yep.
Do your favorite thing. Ring the bell.
Oh. You thought I was going to sing it. No.
Like the last video.
No, but be nice to everybody. Smile. Do something nice for somebody and always say hello. Because if you say hello, what do you get to do? You always get to say
bye, guys.
adios.